Welcome back. A new study finds choosing legumes, right, beans, over red meat can add 10 years to your lifespan.
We always like talking to Jamie Miller. She's with the Camelback Village. Gym? What do you call it? The Village? What is it? A gym?
It's an experience, right?
Yeah.
Health club and spas. Yeah, it is an experience.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Yeah, I love that you throw the spa in there. Okay.
Yes.
Jamie's what really makes it the spa with all of her dietary ideas. Okay, so legumes, are beans?
Ooh,
Is that a fancy name for beans?
Yes, basically, yes. So it's all-encompassing name. We'll say that.
Okay, good. All right, so can you tell me why, when you hear that report, that it could add 10 years to your life, first of all, do you buy that?
So the main thing is that the beans have fiber. So that's why that kind of claim comes.
Oh.
So it's not that you have to take all red meat out of your diet, but you do need to eat more fiber. The main reason for the reason that they can say that study is that fiber will help lower your bad cholesterol, your LDL cholesterol. And so that's the connection there.
Okay, and so
that's kind of where the study comes from.
You have some delicious meals right in front of you. Is that an avocado toast with like beans on it, or what is that?
So this is actually a chickpea chicken salad made out of garbanzo beans. So basically, this one actually has the base of hummus, which is kind of what chickpeas, are. You make hummus with chickpeas, so it's still creamy though, right? Without all the mayo, which again is making it more heart healthy. And then some chopped vegetables, but really just make your favorite chicken or tuna salad and use chickpeas instead of the protein. But you could always add some chicken in too if you want to increase the protein as well. But that fiber is going to be so key. And also, chickpeas is another really important source of manganese, for example. So we're getting really good micronutrients as well when we're getting the beans that maybe you would miss out on if you use meat.
And what is this? This looks like a sweet potato stuffed with legumes.
So this is a stuffed sweet potato stuffed with black beans, and there's also some other veggies like onions and bell peppers and corn and that kind of stuff. It's absolutely delicious, really high in fiber, and also the sweet potato to be high in fiber as well. And then the beans are really important for iron, which is great for just being able to have your blood flow through your body, your oxygen flow through your body through your blood. So you want good iron in your diet. And then the last one I have is a lentil bolognese sauce. So usually you'd be using like a ground beef for that. But we're using lentils instead, red lentils. It's absolutely delicious. And again, this is another one that you could actually incorporate meat into if you wanted, but you decrease the amount of meat and then sub some of the meat for the lentils. It's also kind of budget friendly as well, right? Save some money, increase the fiber. And fiber is so important. So yes, it's good for your heart health because of the cholesterol. It's also really important for digestion. You have to have prebiotic fibers to have good gut bacteria. It's good to keep your blood sugar regulated, and also fiber is really great just to keep a good healthy weight because it keeps you satisfied, right? Fiber is really just
Tell Jamie what you
keeps
said
you
in the meeting
full and keeps you
yesterday.
satisfied.
Yeah, I have heard people say that they become, and I know you're probably having breakfast, but they say that it's not healthy for some people's gut, that it's can make them like a little constipated, like some people say.
I missed that part. You were saying gassy yesterday.
Gassy. And so how do you control that and kind of manage?
Yeah, I think it's about not going crazy. So yes, beans are great for you, but do you want to eat, 2 cups at once? Probably not. So start incorporating a little at a time while your gut gets kind of, incorporated to the new fiber, right? You don't want to go from 0 to 100, right? You want to kind of slowly incorporate it. So maybe add some chickpeas to your salad, or do half beef and half lentils. Slowly get your body used to fiber, and then your body will adjust so you won't get those bad effects. So if someone does have that, it's just maybe they went got a little too excited a little too quickly.
And one quick question, because you have red lentils, but there's different colors, right? Are they all the same?
Yeah. What's the best bean? If I want to go eat one bean, the top bean.
Just one bean.
Oh, a handful.
That's hard. It's like choosing a favorite child, right? I would say maybe black beans because they're so rich in iron, and that's something that is really important just for total health. People who are anemic and that kind of thing, black beans would be that. And I think they're just very versatile too, right? You can add it to a salsa or whatever it may be.
Black bean burgers.
Yeah.
Jamie, it's always great talking with you. Yeah, black bean burgers at the Village Gym and Spa.
And you always have a great spread. So thank you so much.
Yeah, Jamie, we love having you on.
She does such a great job. So,
She does, yeah. And every once in a while, a black bean taco's pretty good.
Yes.
And just having the black beans on the side.
Anything you throw guacamole on.
We'll be right back.